Hello everybody, I hope you're all well, and happy St. Patrick's Day to all those who are celebrating. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to some of my friends in Ireland. Firstly, there's Liz in Ireland, who is an awesome skywatcher and has a great gift. There's a little GIF that I made to show a little bit of her work. And also the Bowstar, who is a singer and songwriter who will steal your hearts away. And this is some drone footage from Lucian, who is a very talented photographer up in Dublin. Beautiful work, so smooth. I don't know how he does it. It must be very windy up there. But he does beautiful drone footage and photography, and his footage is free for you to use in your projects if you're on YouTube. So please go and check him out. Amazing. So please visit the channels that I've mentioned in the description box below and do the share, thumbs up, subscribe, whatever. Just go and show them some love, please. They are lovely people. And hope you all have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Sending you lots of love. And thank you so much for watching. See you all soon. Bye. Bye.